Hello friends, welcome back to Shreya's cooking channel. Today let's see a recipe for juice to help build immunity. It's made with only two ingredients, amla and ginger. I'm going to be using frozen amla. It's better to use fresh amla. So if you have it, you can use that instead. I'm using one large amla and half an inch of ginger for about 8 ounces of water. To a blender, add the amla, ginger and some water and blend this to a smooth paste. Add 8 ounces of water and mix it well. Filter this. We can add honey or sugar for taste. This is a very healthy drink. Please try this and post your comments. And also please subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.